Croup and whooping cough differ in causes, severity, treatment and preventative steps needed. Croup thankfully is milder and resolves quicker, while whooping cough is bacterial, tends to be more severe, requires antibiotics, and can have quite serious complications, especially in the high-risk groups. So stay on top of those vaccination schedules. They really are important. Practice good cough etiquette, cover your mouth, and don't hesitate to call your pediatrician if your child is coughing and struggling to breathe at the same time. Being an informed parent can really help you stay calm, get all the proper care you need.